If you ever wonder how game can improve user experience and retention, this video is for you. So let's deep dive. Welcome back friends, I'm Michael. In this video, we're gonna talk about UX design and gamification. But before we deep dive into the topic, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I publish a video every 2 weeks. We all know that a good UX design can improve the retention or the acquisition. But sometimes we're missing something to our nice user experience, the engagement, the satisfaction, the emotional connection. Well, my friends, gamification has incredible power to create engaging and meaningful user experience. How do you transfer a plain task or activity in a basic application to something engaging, something exciting for the user? With gamification, we can encourage active participation, drive the user loyalty, and even boost the user desired behavior. Maybe your design is great for achieve the goal of the user journey, but you're missing the delightful aspect. A user experience is always functional, useful, but delightful too. So let's see some useful tools to create gamification in your user experience. For example, you can including a progress bar and rewards. We all love the sense of progress and achievement, but if we incorporate progress and badge or virtual rewards, we can motivate and engage the user to a more active usage of the app. Second, the competition and the leaderboard. Humans are naturally competitive creatures. If you incorporate leaderboard and ranking or challenge, you're gonna create this anger of exploring and compete with each other. Third, the challenge and the quest. If you introduce a well-designed user experience, you can change a basic user flow or user need into a challenge that it completes a very meaningful task. For the personalization and avatar, if you allow the user to create his own avatar, you create a personal touch to your UX, and the user can feel more invested and connected. If the user spends a lot of time creating his own persona, he's gonna be more actively engaged into your app. Initiate the desire of personalization and self-expression. 5. The storytelling and the narrative. Humans are hardwired to respond to a story, but if you incorporate narrative into your UX design, you can create a memorable and immersive experience. Think your product as the canvas of a new story, where the user becomes the protagonist of this own digital journey. Gamification is a powerful tool that you need to embrace if you want to create engaging user experience, if you want to captivate the user, if you want to foster the engagement and drive desired behavior. You can create an experience that not only meets the user need or goal, but also spark the curiosity and keep them coming back to your product. Gamification should enhance your product, not overshadow it. So when you design your next product, try to incorporate small game elements like progress bar, ranking, competition, challenge, personalization, and storytelling to create memorable experience. And if you want to know more about this topic, I recommend for you to follow my friend UX Gamer on Instagram and TikTok. He will tell you everything about the UX and the game industry. That's all for today, guys. If you have any tips and tricks to incorporate gamification in your product, I will be very curious to have this conversation with you in the comment below. Maybe you already create a gamification app. Let me know in the comments. In the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will be happy to see you on the next video. Click here.